Welcome to UCS Logistics. Are you interested in building your own computer or looking to streamline your organization's computer systems? If yes, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will explore a process known as PC kitting, a convenient and cost-effective solution for computer assembly and customization. So, what is PC kitting? It refers to assembling and packaging all the necessary components of a computer system into a comprehensive kit ready for installation and use. It's about making computer assembly easy, whether you're an individual or a business. But how exactly does PC kitting work? The process begins with requirement assessment, followed by careful selection and procurement of components from reliable sources. Each component is chosen for compatibility and optimal performance. Quality control measures are then implemented, ensuring each piece meets the necessary standards. Once quality assurance is done, the components are packaged with comprehensive documentation to guide you through the assembly process. PC kitting offers several benefits, such as ease of assembly, compatibility assurance, customization options, cost-effectiveness, streamlined procurement, and customer support. In conclusion, PC kitting simplifies building a computer system by providing a comprehensive package of compatible components with detailed assembly instructions. Want to know more? Visit UCS Logistics to learn more about our offerings and how we can assist you in simplifying your IT asset management processes. Thanks for watching. Get in touch with us by emailing us at vmgroup@uxlogistics.com, calling us at 609-528-2410, or meet with us by scheduling a meeting with UCS Logistics.